Hello guys, and welcome to this week's analysis. Right, so we're going to kickstart this week with EURUSD. Right, so for EURUSD, I have already marked my chart, and there are a few things that I'd like to point out too. Right, the first one is the buy side liquidity above this high. Right, this is where we sold. Right, and we sold until we took out the sell side liquidity pool. Right, so you need to be aware of this, right? If you look at it like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? What do we have here? We now have a break in market structure, right? So this might get the price to move just above these highs or into this order block, and then we sell, right? So you need to be careful about this, right? So let's take a look at what's happening on the daily chart. All right, so the reason why I had to close the rest of my trade on EURUSD end of last week on Friday was because of this move right here. Right, so on the lower time frame around here, we see that we have a clear buy setup. All right, we also can see that for Friday we had already reached the 5-day ADR, so price was bound to reverse, and also we cleared the sell side liquidity. All right, so since that was done, right, I was at least expecting price to trade above this high here, right, and then we monitor how price trades higher. All right, but nevertheless, I still believe that if we take a look at on the 4-hour time frame, we can clearly see that the momentum is quite bullish, and will most likely continue with that trend. Right, so on the lower time frame, I believe that at least for the beginning of the week, we have to open trade lower, right, into this order block on the day on the H1 chart. Right, we find a buy set up on the lower time frame in here. Right, we need to see good rejection. Once we get that, we can enter. Right, we target these highs here, right, as our take profit number 1, and finally this high here as our take profit number 2. Right, so the reason why we're going to take our profit here is if you anchor your fibs from this level right here, right, to this level right here, find out that 50% equilibrium is going to be around here, right, and anything that happens after we get into the premium, all right, is already bonus. So we enter as low as 121.5, 1.21500, all right, and then we can take our profit above those highs here, and we hold a bit of the trade and watch as market trades higher, right? So if we get any reason to believe that the market will want to reverse in here, it's still okay for you to close the rest of your trade. All right, so basically this is what I can say about EURUSD for this week of the 30th of May 2021.